Then the last communication from PRS was that, she wanted to share another update with me. She had to reschedule her session from the night before, waived her fee as courtesy. Unfortunately, she failed to attend the scheduled session again. That is from Kristen at PRS.
Breaking inside this courtroom, a routine probation check-in turns into serious legal scrutiny before Judge McNally. Missed payments, years of absence, and accountability collide in real time. A defendant's past returns with consequences now unavoidable. Subscribe, like, share for more intense courtroom breakdowns and real justice moments unfolding today now.
Come up to the podium.
Where's the podium? Where's the podium? Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Chunky, hearing my client who stands to my meeting, right? You say change correct, sir?
Is anyone in the back?
Give me 1 second. I'm curious as to what prompted her or him to come in here. Or her
It's
to come in.
I misspoke, Judge. It's late.
Right. What prompted her to come in today?
Your Honor, she had
I remember this one. You know what? That's pretty amazing, isn't it?
I say I already told him. I already know I'm about to get scolded.
Get a scolding. You haven't been here in 3 years. If you call that a scolding, I call it disrespectful for you not to show up. But I remember this case, and that's never a good sign. 3 years later, I remember this case because your attitude was,
So,
and now you've seen the light. Where's she been for 3 years?
Your Honor, she is now gainfully employed in college. She had a period of time where she did not have any lodging, and she's gone through an ordeal, but it does appear that she's made some positive strides. And she was not arrested on a new charge or anything. In fact, she called the police for assistance, and it was at that time they discovered that there was not standing warrant. But she's not getting picked up on a new case.
Is Heather here, Jennifer Wiseman?
Yes, she is, but I can pull something up if you need me to.
And pull this case up.
Go ahead.
I
Do you have
sensed
the
her
case number by chance that I can?
23W 831 736.
Thank you.
So I sentenced her, it looks like, back on June 21 of 23. I set a review hearing. Well, then she failed to appear on October 2nd. It must have been a show cause. It was a show cause. So let me find that show cause and we can go from there. I don't know. Okay. The charge is failure to pay fines and costs as ordered. This is part of a show cause dated September 18 of 23. So have you had a chance to look at that with her or talk to her about that?
No, Your Honor, I saw that there was an outstanding fine, I believe, and that there was just a failure to comply with all terms and conditions. I worked certainly with the amount of time that's elapsed since the last show cause.
So I'm going to arraign her on that. And then I'm going to go from there. Okay.
Understood.
Ma'am, you're charged with failure to pay fines and costs as ordered. This is part of a show cause dated September 18 of 23. And you didn't show up. That's your first technical violation. However, now you've absconded. So that means that your height of status could be revoked. I don't believe I ever revoked that status. The conviction entered, and you would be subject to a 90-day jail term. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
You are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty by a preponderance of evidence on this, since it's a probation violation. You have the right to a hearing. At that hearing, you have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty at any time, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Sir.
All right. You understand at a hearing, you could testify or remain silent. If you remain silent, that silence would not be held against you, and you'll have the right to cross-examine any probation witnesses. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So in a second, I'm going to ask you how you wish to plead. Is she going to plead guilty or?
Yes, under these circumstances, it's a black and white situation. She knows that she did not make a payment and she knows that she failed to appear. I don't believe that the hearing would be necessary that, but we will be wanting to provide an explanation. But yes, in the circumstance, we're not contesting those two scenarios.
John Colin, Beth, to the charge that you failed to pay fines and costs totaling $935. How do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to pay?
Yes, yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
We're just ready to pay. We're just trying to get this. To get that to church.
Plea is accepted to that charge. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. Here's my concern with you. I bet you didn't do the community service either. And I bet you didn't do the positive strategies program either.
Definitely get the human service and a positive strategy.
Let me
And I sent her emails, and that's why I had tried to contact her.
just keep your voice up.
I just tried to contact her on email and just let her know like I couldn't make it. So I was just trying to, let y'all know so y'all can another date or just so I can get here. And I couldn't, and it's like everything just fell apart and I couldn't even get here. So
You couldn't get here.
it really was after the fact, and I couldn't get up here and what I was doing with my life, honestly.
When you got here to this, you got here to the Speedway on Allen Road in Woodhaven, and Allen Road's right next to us.
Yeah,
That's when you committed the crime back in February of 23. And then I heard all this from your lawyer and you about how your employer, right? Correct me. These were lottery tickets. Yes?
Yes, but I'm not gonna lie. I feel like honestly, I feel like they threw me under the bus. I wanted to take that to trial. I didn't know how, I didn't know what to do, and honestly, I was eager. So
You were what?
I feel like they threw me under the bus because it wasn't me doing it. It wasn't me doing it. So and they wasn't giving y'all no cameras or footage, anything, and I didn't know how to go about it, and no knowledge, none of that. So.
In this moment, the court dives into allegations of unpaid fines, missed community service, and a disputed workplace theft case involving lottery tickets. The defendant claims fear and confusion, while counsel highlights attempted compliance and life changes through criminal justice studies. How much weight should rehabilitation carry in sentencing decisions?
Of course, I was angry. I was scared. I didn't know what to say.
I wouldn't have taken your plea if you didn't admit that you Ms. Murphy was representing her. I remember this vividly. And she was saying that at least initially that the employer asked her to steal, her boss asked her to steal the lottery tickets. That's what I was told. I'd love to go back and listen to this. I mean, I give myself credit for even remembering any aspect of this, given the fact that this all happened 3 years ago, and I've only had probably 8,000 people in front of me since then. I want to know why she didn't show up. And I want to know why she didn't come and ask for time to pay when I told her she could do that.
I really ain't had I didn't have nobody. I didn't have nobody. You feel me? To tell me that this is what you gotta do. If you don't do it, you definitely gonna go to jail. Just you know, I done been through so much since I haven't been here. So like I got a lot of knowledge now. I go to school for criminal justice, so I know there's certain things that you have to do, and there's certain things that you feel me, that you just gotta.
You're going to school where for criminal justice?
Oakland Community College. Yeah, I'm about to graduate actually.
With an associate's?
So
Do you have proof of that?
it's on my phone. I got everything. I got a FEMA certificate. I got the first year on it. I think.
Your name?
Elizabeth Boss, probation, Your Honor.
Did she do the positive strategies program in the community service?
She did do her community service, Your Honor. She did not attend the Positive Strategies program. She indicated, to me that she was struggling financially. I actually worked it out with PRS. They waived a lot of her late fees and courtesy fees, so she could attend that program, but no, she did not end up attending.
Ma'am,
Yeah, the last communication from PRS was that, she wanted to share another update with me. She had to reschedule her session from the night before, waived her fee as courtesy. Unfortunately, she failed to attend the scheduled session again. That is from Kristen at PRS.
Yeah, that's good.
Jennifer, give me a new Woodhaven date real quick.
Sure.
Let me just double check something. How much trouble have you been in since you were in front of me? Oh, you went out and got something else. You got a CCW dismissed because it was under HIDA.
Yeah, it was.
You still have warrants. Let me see how many warrants you have here.
I didn't have no CPU on
Here's what you have. Warrant out of the 24th district, warrant out of the 23rd, 53rd, 37th, 46, 36, 36, 36. You got about 8 warrants out.
right now.
They just ran this today.
What? I don't know. I only thought I had the ticket warrant, so I'm not even aware. I'm not even what's it called. Like I went on my I needed my driver's license. I literally got to pay 2 no insurance tickets, which I did have insurance. I just
Ma'am,
didn't get.
let's stick to the issue.
Yes, sir.
Do you work?
Yes. I'm a Amazon. I've been working there for 4 months. Going 4 months. Be here every day. Thursday, the only day I don't be there because I can't work.
Why should I not revoke her HIDA status?
Yeah, I think that putting it
She didn't
down,
do the positive strategies and she's been blowing us off for 3 years, 2.5 years.
Judge did indicate that I'd be seeking potentially another day in Woodhaven's here. I think that some of the statements that she's made regarding school could be verified and maybe that put her in better life for reconsideration.
You have the money now?
I definitely can pay you good. I can go on my mic pay, get you 200, pay 200 today.
Well, you owe us over 900.
Yeah, 935.
No, you owe more than that now. There's warrant fees and everything else. You came here after 3 years and you came here with only $200. I mean, you knew you owed at least 900.
I don't get paid till Friday. Sorry. I don't get paid till Friday. And then I just gave my auntie rent money, so
Give your auntie what?
rent money, so I didn't listen. I got a lot. I still got a lot going on. I want to get this out the way. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely trying to get this out the way. I definitely told him I'm trying to get this settled. You know, I'm trying to, because I already know. I knew this was gonna come back to me. I didn't know it was gonna come back today. And I should have been got it together. And that's just me not having, you feel me? Yesterday was my 85th day, so it's not like I feel me. Everything just fell apart. Like me getting off work at 3 in the morning today. Like,
I know, but you remember what an attitude you had with me?
yes, and I apologize because I was a kid. Didn't know nothing.
Well, you act like you've grown up by 28 years. This was only 2.5 years ago. You were born in 03, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm not amused.
I don't, it's not like I got any items. I don't got nobody to look up to. I got to do some.
Where's your mom and dad at?
Dad passed. So, and my mom, you really don't. Really.
I can't hear you.
Dad passed. So me and my mom are not cool. So,
You're not cool? You don't get along?
very.
You're not showing her enough respect.
No, it's not like she give her kids that type of respect. You know how these generation mamas be. Want to do what they want to do. I take care of their kids and treat them and show them the right way.
Here's what I'm going to do.
At this stage, the courtroom reveals multiple outstanding warrants, painting a troubling legal pattern beyond this single violation. Financial hardship is raised, but the judge recalls past disrespect and missed opportunities for compliance. Family instability and emotional strains surface, intensifying the question, is this accountability finally catching up?
Jennifer, give me a date when Mr. Urick's on my docket, will you please?
You've got April 29th or May 13th.
Beth,
Yes,
positive strategies program.
yes.
How long until she could get into that?
I honestly, I'd have to look at the website. It's offered, about once every about 4 or 5 weeks. I am honestly gonna go off memory. I wanna say it's being offered like the second Thursday in May, like May 13th, maybe. I don't, I'm
Give me
again,
a later date in May.
The 27th.
And how many days is that program again? It's just,
it starts with the initial. and-
right, but I didn't order any follow-up, so it should just be one day, right?
Yeah, it should just be one day if no follow-up was
We're
ordered.
gonna set a sentencing for, what'd you say, Jennifer?
May 27th.
At 8:30 in the morning. Now, I'm setting a $200 cash bond. I'm accepting your guilty plea. I'm gonna write down here, defendant 2, attend positive strategies program. Let me tell you something. If you're truly, and bring proof, bring proof. Bring proof,
Bring it out.
defendant attending criminal justice program at Oakland Community. Oakland Community, I'm sorry. Listen to me pardon me?
This is literally my last semester. I'm supposed to graduate on.
Well, I tell you what, you can take a criminal justice degree and pretty much throw it down the garbage if you're convicted of things like this in CCW. Now you got the one off your record, and you better go over and take care of at least a couple of these warrants. So I'm giving you 6, 7, 5 weeks here to take care of at least a couple standing warrants.
I didn't even know I had it. You know what I mean? I don't even know how.
So even though you were wise with me and disrespectful,
I'm not apologizing.
that's the beauty of the criminal justice system. I'm still going to treat you fairly. You're going to post $200. Jennifer, tell Heather or whoever to
I
print out a
am
note.
relaying it right now.
Thank you very much. May 27th at 8:30. Take care of a couple tickets. Do the positive strategies program, and you better come back with all the money here too.
Yeah, I'm.
Listen, this is it. I can't extend probation anymore. So you got to come back with, there's restitution of $300. So you're gonna be able to come back with the other 700 in 4 or 5 weeks.
I'm not gonna lie. I was about to just ask you, like, can I pay it through the 7 weeks? That's what I was doing.
I can't do it.
So you just want me to come order?
You have to.
Yes, sir.
If you want this off your record, you have to.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Sir, I got-
In fact,
but it's
if it will help you,
in 13,
just wait 1 second. You're mumbling. Just let me finish, please.
I'm just happy. I'm sorry.
Happy.
But like, I'm just tired. Sorry.
She did this before too. She won't stop talking.
That's my part. That's what I'm in therapy for.
Court will consider not requiring you to take care of other tickets. I mean, you're still gonna have to do it. If D comes with all money. I can't dismiss this for you if I don't have all the money. I can't do it. You had 3 years, 2.5 years to save. That's all I can tell you. Post your bond. Good luck. I wish you well. I hope I can dismiss this for you. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Joe from Maui. If you have a second, I just wanted to introduce you.
Sure, come on up. How are you?
This is Miss Laura. She just started a couple of
Come
weeks.
on up. This way, right here, right here, right here, right here. Yeah, walk right in through that door there.
You want to?
Come on up. Absolutely. You started with prosecutor's office?
Yes, I
What's your
did.
name?
Masara.
Nice to meet you. Is that your first name?
Yes. Fargo.
Barda?
Fargo, like the bank.
Oh, okay.
Fargo.
How you doing? Nice to see you.
You.
So you're starting in the prosecutor's office?
Yes.
And where are they gonna have you?
General screening.
Okay,
Probably.
good.
Like
You passed the bar, right?
Yeah. I just took it in February, so I'm waiting for my results. They come out real soon. We're gonna find out if all the BCs are attorneys.
A week or two.
I check them every day.
You passed. You passed. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. I just one of the PCs. She actually reached out to me asking what she can do. A lot of the PCs, like some of them don't do that. I was like, I was the only one who used to do that.
Right.
So I definitely think she's gonna end up being really, really good.
I'm sure you are.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are. Well, it's nice to meet you. I hope to see you around here.
Anyway, sorry to stop your dog.
You're fine. You're fine. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
The judge accepts the guilty plea, imposes a $200 bond, and reinforces probation conditions, including mandatory program attendance and restitution payments. A final warning is issued that no further extensions will be granted, with a review hearing scheduled for May 27th. Like, comment, and subscribe for more courtroom stories.